Utah makes every participating school publish its tuition, its fees, and its refund policy. Here is that document already written. Under Administration, open Reports, then Compliance Checklist on your program's card. Most of the document comes from what you already bill. The refund policy is the part you write. Edit policy opens it. Say plainly that a scholarship refund goes to the program manager, never to the family. Then click Print the tuition and fees disclosure. The same link sits on the refund card. It comes out on your letterhead. The name, address, and phone the program also asks for. The first paragraph is the promise Utah requires. Same price, same refund terms, scholarship or not. Tuition is your live plans with the amount and the cadence. Change a plan and the disclosure changes with it. Additional fees is your fee catalog, so nothing a family gets billed during the year is missing here. Your policy prints next, then the scholarship paragraph. Refunds go back to the program manager, and nobody is asked to waive the right to transfer. Print or save as PDF. Post it on the school website, hand it to every prospective scholarship parent, and file it with the program. One document, 3 obligations, no typing. Try it free at Pearspark.com.